going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. The New World Order book is going to show you how the world works. It is definitely time to wake up out of your sleep in the times that we're in right now. Plus, guys, we know we're waiting on that next main event towards the end of the year. We had the first quarter event. Like I told you, that would happen. Don't forget this is Shemitah year. And then also, I want to thank those who purchased the 3 Kids books. It's definitely time to re-educate. And also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. Do not forget I have the New World Order cryptos in my Patreon. Do your own research, but going inside of a bear market, you definitely want the cryptos that have real use cases. And much love to those who are shopping at both stores, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. As I'm doing this video, we have Bitcoin and crypto slightly up. But tomorrow, guys, we know that we have options, so we know we're going to pull back. And then on the weekend, we're the only game in town, but we know we're going to be running into the Fed speech. We know when it comes to the stock market and cryptos, we know when Jerome Powell is speaking, they light the market up. They want all the attention off of the Fed. But guys, do not forget to pay attention to the actual indicators. We have yield rates, we have volume, we have Tether. We have Tether deploys new USDT token on the Tezos blockchain. Remember, guys, follow the money. And then also we have USDC. And then, of course, we have the Fed, which the repo has been over $2 trillion. Like I stated, the Fed is going to be raising rates this week coming up. And then also, guys, we know this month they started rolling off of this balance sheet. And then we have the ECB coming out today stating the same. Starting next month, they're going to be raising rates and rolling off the balance sheet. Remember, guys, they have to kill this economy in order to roll in the 4th Industrial Revolution. That's where the robots, algorithms, and drones take over the economy and the sheep go inside the metaverse. Guys, over the next year and a half, we're going to see mass layoffs. We know the NWO's plan. Create the problem, wait for the reaction, and run in with the solution. Please go watch my Society 5.0 videos. The 4th Industrial Revolution was planned out a long time ago. But guys, they have to have big distractions in order to move the sheet forward. So we know we're going to have a big event coming this 4th quarter, running us into 2023. Remember, everything that happened from 2020 to 2022 was all a test for the bigger event. And remember, the Crypto Teacher told you. Now, we have Grayscale that moved down about a little over $700 million. Guys, do not forget to pay attention to the allocations. And then also, we know in a few weeks, the SEC is going to make a decision on their spot Bitcoin ETF. And we know whatever decision the SEC makes is going to move the market either way. Now, getting over into a little crypto news. We have major South Korean crypto exchanges delist Litecoin due to the upgrade of the Mimblewimble. But guys, we know when it comes to privacy, it's going to be so important in the fourth industrial revolution. And we recently had the CFTC say that Litecoin is definitely a commodity. Now we have the UFC taps Vechain, signs a 5-year deal worth over $100 million. Now we have Arrington Capital launches $100 million growth fund for Moonbeam ecosystem. Also, we have Anchorage and Binance.us create a crypto custody exchange network to enhance trading liquidity for institutional investors. And lastly, we have 75% of retailers eyeing crypto payments within the next 24 months. And guys, it's going to be sooner than that. We see all the building that's going on. Remember, this is Shemitah year. We see the foundation was already laid in 2021, and 2022 and 23 are going to be the building years. And we see automation taking over. Driverless cars, driverless big rigs, robots in hospitals, robots in restaurants, and Walmart launching drones. So we see the robots, algorithms, and drones are definitely taking over the economy. And we already know the sheep are going inside the metaverse if they don't wake up soon. And remember, the crypto teacher told you, because he knows when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Crypto Teacher and the New World Order book, plus the 3 kids books. It's time to re-educate. Also, new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Crypto Teacher Stock Channel, Crypto Teacher Stocks. You have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, while everybody's sitting at home, your home stocks, the C-Word, the biotech stocks, and while everybody's at home wishing they were still getting that free money. What they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and you have a wonderful day. The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know, I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.